Assalamualaikum, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn Funmatics. Open your page number 20. Yes. And do you know which number is this? Tell me. Number 4. Very good. Okay, trace with me. Is this number 4? Very good. And how many pandas? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Trace on dotted lines and color the picture. Very good. Okay. Trace with me. Yes. 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 And very good. Again. वेरी गुड. आपने इस वाली पिक्चर में ये भी देखना है कि यहाँ पे भी कहीं ना कहीं 4 आपको नज़र आएगा. ओके और आपने अच्छे सा काम करना है. ओके ओपन योर पेज नंबर 21. यस इज दिस 21. ओके हाउ मैनी बलून्स? सो मैनी बलून्स ना. एंड हमने उन बलून्स में कलर करना है जिनमें नंबर 4 राइट किया गया है. Like this. Is this number 4? Number 4 and number 4. इन 3 balloons में आपने अच्छी सी coloring करनी है. Okay. Match number 4 with the boxes having 4 objects. Is this 4 objects? No. 4 objects? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Very good. We complete page number 20 and 21. Okay. Allah Hafiz.